Have you ever wondered what the top 5 places to visit in France are? Today, we're going on a virtual journey to uncover these gems, nestled in the heart of Europe. France, a nation renowned for its breathtaking landscapes, rich cultural heritage and gastronomical delights, never fails to enchant its visitors. From the sun-kissed beaches of the French Riviera to the romantic allure of Paris, France offers an eclectic mix of experiences suiting everyone's taste. Our countdown isn't just about popularity. We've considered multiple factors. We've looked at cultural significance, the sheer beauty of the place, its popularity among tourists, and of course its unique charm that sets it apart. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or a foodie, there's something for everyone in our list. So without further ado, let's dive into our countdown of the top 5 places to visit in France. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the French Riviera, also known as Côte d'Azur. Imagine a place where the sun shines brighter, the sea is bluer, and the glamour is just a part of everyday life. Yes, we are talking about the French Riviera, a stunning stretch of France's Mediterranean coastline. This is not just a travel destination, it's a lifestyle, a dream, and for many, a reality. The French Riviera is synonymous with opulence and luxury. Its sun-kissed beaches adorned with golden sand are the perfect spot for sunbathing during the day and partying when the sun goes down. It's not uncommon to spot celebrities soaking up the sun or luxury yachts dotting the azure sea. The Riviera is, after all, a playground for the rich and famous. But it's not just about the beaches and the glitz. The Riviera is also famous for the Cannes Film Festival, an annual event that brings together the who's who of the global film industry. Every May, the city of Cannes transforms into a movie wonderland, with red carpets, flashbulbs, and a parade of stars. It's a spectacle that's as dazzling as the Riviera itself. The luxurious city of Nice is another jewel in the Riviera's crown. With its vibrant markets, charming old town, and stunning seafront promenade, Nice offers a blend of traditional charm and modern luxury. And then there's Monaco, the independent city-state known for its grand casino, royal palace, and Formula One Grand Prix. Monaco might be the second smallest country in the world, but it packs a punch when it comes to luxury and glamour. The French Riviera is more than just a travel destination, it's a way of life, a celebration of beauty, luxury, and glamour. It's a place where every day feels like a vacation, and every moment is a memory waiting to happen. The French Riviera, a place of beauty and luxury, truly a paradise for beach lovers and glamour seekers. Moving on to number 4, we have Normandy, a region rich in history and culture. Nestled in the northern part of France, Normandy is a region that's brimming with history. It's a land that has seen pivotal moments unfold, moments that have shaped the course of the world. The D-Day beaches, for instance, are a stark reminder of the World War II. These beaches witnessed one of the largest seaborne invasions in history, which marked a turning point in the Second World War. Today, they stand as poignant memorials, silently narrating tales of bravery and sacrifice. But Normandy is not just about war memorials. It's a place where you can witness the harmonious blend of natural beauty and architectural splendor. Take Mont Saint-Michel, for example. Rising majestically from the sea, this stunning abbey is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It's a marvel of medieval architecture, perched atop a rocky islet, surrounded by a mesmerizing landscape of sand and sea. It's a site that will leave you spellbound, a site that's steeped in history, mystery, and spirituality. Now let's talk about something that's bound to make your taste buds tingle: the cuisine of Normandy. The region is particularly famous for its cheese and cider. The Camembert, a creamy, soft cheese, originated here. And there's nothing quite like savoring a slice of this cheese paired with a glass of local cider. It's a gastronomic experience that's pure Normandy, an experience that's as rich and diverse as the region itself. Normandy is a place that's steeped in history, but it's not just about the past. It's a place where history and culture come alive. A place that's vibrant, dynamic, and forever evolving. It's a place that's waiting to be explored, a place that's waiting to tell its story. Normandy, a place where history and culture come alive. At number 3, we have the Loire Valley, known as the Garden of France. Imagine a region where beauty and history dance together in an enchanting ballet, where every corner reveals a new picturesque landscape. This is the Loire Valley, a place that's often referred to as the Garden of France. And for good reason. It's a verdant, fertile land, blessed with rolling green hills, fruitful vineyards and charming villages that seem to have been plucked right out of a fairy tale. The Loire Valley is not just a feast for the eyes, it's also a place where the past comes alive. Here you'll find some of the most stunning chateaux in all of France. These grand, majestic castles with their turrets and towers reaching for the sky are more than just beautiful relics. They are living testimonies to the region's rich history and cultural heritage. Each chateau has its own story to tell, from the love affairs and betrayals of kings and queens to the rise and fall of empires. And speaking of heritage, did you know that the Loire Valley is a UNESCO World Heritage Site? That's right. The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization recognized the valley for its historical towns, architectural heritage, and its role as a cultural landscape of great beauty. But the Loire Valley is not just about stunning landscapes and historical chateaux. It's also a paradise for wine lovers. The region is famous for its world-class wines, from the crisp, refreshing whites to the full-bodied reds. Here, the art of winemaking is not just a business, but a tradition passed down through generations. So whether you're a wine connoisseur or a casual drinker, you're sure to find a wine that delights your palate. In a nutshell, the Loire Valley is a place where history, beauty, and fine wine come together in perfect harmony. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the picturesque landscapes, be awed by the grandeur of the chateau, and delight in the region's world-class wines. The Loire Valley, a mesmerizing blend of history, beauty, and fine wine. Just missing out on the top spot at number 2 is the romantic city of Paris. Paris, the city of light, is a melting pot of history, art, fashion, and of course romance. Every corner of this city tells a story, every landmark is a testament to its rich past, and every street is a runway for the world's most fashionable. Let's start with the Eiffel Tower, the city's most iconic symbol. It stands tall and proud, a beacon of French ingenuity and elegance. It's not just a tower, but a monument that has witnessed countless proposals, vows, and declarations of love. And if you get a chance to see it sparkle against the night sky, you'll understand why it's the epitome of Parisian romance. Then there's the Louvre, the world's largest and most visited art museum, home to the enigmatic smile of Mona Lisa and the timeless beauty of Venus de Milo. It's a treasure trove of artistic masterpieces. The Louvre doesn't just house art, it tells the story of humanity, of our triumphs and failures, our hopes and dreams. And who could forget the Notre Dame Cathedral? Despite the fire that ravaged it in 2019, its grandeur remains intact. It's a testament to the city's resilience, its ability to rise from the ashes and continue to inspire. But Paris isn't just about landmarks, it's about the ambience, the feeling you get when you walk its cobblestone streets. It's the scent of fresh croissants wafting from the boulangeries, the sight of couples strolling hand in hand along the Seine, the sound of jazz melodies seeping from the corner cafes. And of course, it's about the food. From the humble baguette and croissant to the extravagant escargot and foie gras, Paris is a gastronomic paradise. Its cafes, bistros, and restaurants are where culinary dreams come true. Paris, the city of love, art, and gastronomy. It's not just a city, it's an experience, and it's waiting for you to explore and fall in love with it over and over again. And finally, at number 1, we have Provence, a region that captivates every traveler's heart. Imagine a place where purple lavender fields stretch as far as the eye can see, mingling seamlessly with sprawling vineyards that boast some of the world's finest grapes. Yes, that's Provence for you. But the charm of Provence doesn't end with its breathtaking landscapes. The Mediterranean coastline, with its azure waters and sun-drenched beaches, beckons with a promise of tranquility and adventure. Then there's the rich history of Provence, encapsulated perfectly in the city of Avignon. Every stone and corner here tells a tale of the past. And don't forget the picturesque villages of Gordes and Roussillon. These quaint little gems tucked away in Provence's heartland are sure to steal your heart with their rustic charm and vibrant colors. Provence, a region that truly embodies the essence of France,